Good day, friends. All right, we're going to do another science experiment. This one is adults only. I get that. Adults only. Because this one has things that adults should touch only. It's dangerous, and adults should only be doing this. The ingredients include, let me turn my camera around. Where did it go? All right, it's not gonna let me. All right, I can't even talk. The experiment, you will find it on Google Classroom. It even says on the top, adults. It's the carbon sugar snake experiment. This is why I'm doing it outside. It is dangerous. This is why we need adults. The ingredients is a pie pan, baking soda, lighter fluid, things adults need to touch, lighter, powdered sugar, and sand. And as you can see, I have all those ingredients standing here. I have the powdered sugar, I have lighter fluid, I have a lighter. Can you see that? I have baking soda, I have measuring cups, and I have over here, I have the sand and a pie pan. So this is going to go down here so I don't catch it on fire because I already know what the steps are. All right, I need to put the stand in my pie pan. So first step, sand in the pie pan. Okay, then it says make sure you mound it up in the middle and then make a hole. Okay, then I got to mix the baking soda and the powdered sugar together and put that in the middle. So in my empty pan that I just emptied, I'm going to mix up the powdered sugar and so 4 teaspoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of the baking soda is going to be mixed. Is it teaspoons? Teaspoons, yes. So, teaspoons, check out your teaspoons. That's a half. There's a teaspoon right there. So, again, it said 4 teaspoons of the powdered sugar. So let me open the powdered sugar. So help me count it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we need 1 teaspoon of the baking soda. Trying to put the lid back on so it doesn't fall. All right, 1 teaspoon of the baking soda. So let me grab that, put it in there. Let's mix it up with the spoon. All right, now we need to put that in the middle. But first, we need to do the lighter fluid. So, adults only. So, get your adult. After you have that mound in there, you want your mound. So, put your mound in there. You're going to have the adult take the lighter fluid. Open the lighter fluid. And we're going to soak that right there. Inside that mound. All right? And then we're going to close that back up. Then you're going to take what you just mixed up and you're going to put that in there. All right. Make sure that all goes inside that mound. Ready? All right. Put that to the side. All right. So I got all that spooned in there. Next, I'm going to carefully take my lighter. Nope, there goes my thing. And we're going to light this thing. Stand back. Ready? Can you see it? It's going to take a few minutes. Watch it. It says it takes a while sometimes for this to form. But it's supposed to make a snake, so we'll see. See how it's bubbling up? The sugar and this baking soda is bubbling up there. We'll see if it works. Then we'll talk about the science behind it. I see it's working. Boy, oh boy, it's warm out today. Oh goodness. I think it closed out on me. Might have to relight it. Kind of windy. This is why you have to have an adult. Very important part. If you look really close, you can see how it's forming and bubbling up. See how it's bubbling up? And it's growing. I don't know how big it's gonna get, but normally it gets really big. And I know sometimes you'll see the firecrackers that they get really big like that. That's what this is. I can see from back here, it's bubbling. It's kind of growing. I'm gonna make sure it's gonna grow all around. This wind is kind of not cooperating with us today. Kind of windy. Oh, there's flame going now. Woo woo. Maybe we got something going there now. You got the right spot. Now you see it. It's really growing now. All right. So let's talk about the science behind this. So the science behind this is you get the mixture of the two, and obviously the lighter fluid is lightened, but you got the mixture of the lighter fluid, the baking soda, and the powdered sugar, and that makes it grow as it burns, because powdered sugar has all those crystals in it. Baking soda is more of an acidic base. You know that from when we do like volcanoes, things like that. See it growing? It's kind of getting higher there. See it, how high it's getting? So, and the sand is more of a protectant, and they have crystals in the sand too. See, it's growing as it burns. And the burning just adds the heat to it, which makes the molecules go faster and faster, and just makes it expand. So as the molecules expand, it goes faster and faster, and expands and gets bigger and bigger. All right, that's our snake. Have a good day.